Welcome back. Today, let's talk about bad breath and how to prevent cavities or tooth decay by using one of the best remedy. Imagine talking to someone and they turn away because of bad breath, or brushing your teeth daily but still retaining yellow teeth. Sometimes your own breath smells bad, and sometimes your teeth hurt when drinking cold water. This is caused by cavities, which lead to tooth damage, gum recession, and even bleeding gums. According to research, 90% of people encounter dental problems by the age of 40. Thus, taking care of oral health is vital. Toothpaste, mouthwash, and dental procedures usually only clean the surface of the teeth. The real problems are bacteria and gum weakness. That is why I want to share how to make a homemade tooth powder that you can prepare yourself. Not only does it clean the teeth, but it also strengthens the root and gums and prevent cavities, eliminate bad breath, and enhances overall oral health. Before we discover this homemade powder, let's first understand why dental problems are common. When we eat sweets, bacteria transform the sugar into acid. This acid gradually damages the enamel of the teeth, causing cavities or decay. Similarly, when plaque accumulates on the teeth, it creates a yellow layer, especially on the inner side of the teeth. This plaque weakens the gums, causes bleeding, and results in bad breath. If plaque is not cleaned immediately, the condition worsens, causing loose gums and loose teeth. This is why people visit dentists for scaling, filling, root canals, spending thousands of money only to face the same problem again after some time. So, what is the real and permanent solution? Here are some natural ingredients that are effective in addressing the mentioned problems. This is our remedy that solve almost any dental problem. Let's see what ingredients are required. Number 1. Triphala powder. The first ingredient is triphala, a powder made from a combination of three different fruits: Indian gooseberry, haritaki, and bahira. Triphala is well known for strengthening dental and gum health. It reduces bacteria in the mouth and strengthens the root of the teeth. When there are too many bacteria in the mouth, plaque builds up, causing teeth to yellow, gums to swell, and sometimes bleed. Triphala has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that prevent the formation of plaque and reduce gum inflammation. With regular use, it tightens gums and gradually stops bleeding. Triphala is also a natural remedy for bad breath as it eliminates harmful bacteria that causes bad breath. Due to these benefits, triphala is often used in Ayurvedic and herbal toothpaste. Besides, triphala helps reduce teeth sensitivity and prevents cavity-related issues. While it may not directly repair damaged enamel, it protects the teeth from further damage. In summary, triphala not only aids in teeth cleaning but also improves overall dental and gum health. Number 2. Clove. Clove has been known for centuries as an effective ingredient for dental and gum health. In households, we often use clove as a spice to enhance the flavor of food, but it is also a natural solution for various oral problems. Clove contains a natural compound called eugenol, which acts as a natural pain reliever and antiseptic. Additionally, it provides numbing to the affected area. So, when there is toothache or sensitivity, clove quickly provides relief. It eliminates bacteria in the mouth that causes cavities and infections. It reduces gum inflammation and strengthens them. For bleeding gums, the moderate use of clove helps gradually lessen this problem. Furthermore, clove combats bad breath by eliminating odor-causing bacteria. Number 3. Java plum seeds. At the third position, we have powder from Java plum seeds. Java plum seeds are rich in polyphenols and potent antioxidants that prevent bacterial growth and protect against cavities. Java plum leaves are naturally astringent and are full of vitamin C, which strengthen gums and prevent bleeding. If you want to add this, you can add. Number 4. Rock salt. The fourth and final ingredient is rock salt, which has a mild abrasive power capable of removing plaque and yellowing from teeth. It restores the natural whitening of the teeth and is used to address various dental issues. How to prepare? To prepare this best tooth powder, take 2 tablespoons of dry and clean jamun seeds or java plum seeds. Roast them over low heat for a few minutes. Ensure that the heat is not too high. Then grind them into a very fine powder using a mixer and place it in a dry, clean bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of trifla powder, 1 teaspoon of clove powder, 1 teaspoon of rock salt. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly to achieve an even mixture. Once the powder is well mixed, store it in a glass bottle or jar. Avoid using plastic containers. Glass containers are preferable. How to use? Using this tooth powder is very simple. Every time you brush, take a small amount of the powder and apply it together with toothpaste onto a soft bristles toothbrush. Gently massage your teeth and gums in soft strokes for 1 to 2 minutes. Do not apply excessive pressure. After brushing, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. At the start of using this powder, you will feel a cool and fresh sensation in your mouth. Bleeding from gums while brushing will gradually reduce. Yellowing and plaque buildup on teeth will also disappear over time. Most notably, bad breath will diminish until it fully vanishes. When this remedy is used continuously for 6 to 8 weeks, you will notice your gums becoming firmer and stronger. The looseness of teeth will also reduce. With long-term use, the natural risk of cavities and tartar diminishes. In the initial phase, use it daily. This tooth powder can be consistently used for up to 3 to 4 months. If you want to make it a part of your routine, use it 1 to 2 times per week. Dental health is not merely a matter of having a sparkling smile. It also profoundly affects your overall physical health, lifestyle, and self-confidence. Often people believe that daily brushing is sufficient. However, true dental health lies in the roots, gums, and tissues inside the teeth, where bacteria, plaque, and debris hide. If we consume excessive amounts of sugary foods or drinks, plaque accumulates on teeth, gradually damaging the enamel, leading to cavities, sensitivity, and yellowing of teeth. Frequently, consumption of fizzy and soft drinks weakens the natural whiteness and strength of teeth and heightens the risk of inflammation and infection in the gums. Neglecting daily dental hygiene practice like brushing, flossing, and using mouthwash allows bacteria and germs to accumulate in teeth and gums, weakening them, causing bleeding problems and resulting in bad breath, which is harmful not only to physical health but also to social and emotional well-being. Additionally, inadequate hydration or drinking less water deteriorates the mouth's natural environment and compromises saliva's protective layer, making teeth more susceptible to bacterial infections. Consuming a healthy and balanced diet rich in calcium, vitamin C, phosphorus, and protein is crucial as these nutrients strengthen teeth and gums, fortify enamel, and provide robust support to the roots. Using herbal remedies such as trifla, jamun seeds, clove, and the rock salt enhances the dental care process significantly. With their natural antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antiseptic properties, these remedies deeply clean teeth and gums, eliminate bad breath, reduce sensitivity, and lower the risk of cavities and tartar formation. Incorporating small habits into your daily routine, like regular brushing, flossing, using herbal powders, eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and reducing sugar intake, ensures not only clean teeth but also prolonged and sustainable dental health. These practices tighten and strengthen the gums and reduce the likelihood of teeth loosening. In summary, proper dental care combined with herbal remedies and a well-balanced lifestyle not only provides healthy and strong teeth but also support overall health, immunity, and self-esteem. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to watch more. Have a nice day.